candies. Hey guys! Yummy cotton candies! Come, come! Huh? Candies! Boom, 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 here are your candies. Yummy and fluffy candies. Lovely treats for today, so come have them now. I want some candies.
Okay. I'll get them now.
Boom, 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 I can make these for you. Soft and sugary candies. Get the sweets now from me, so come have them now. Oh, they're as soft as clouds.
Be careful, baby Zay.
Boom, 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 tasty candies. Cloud-like, I feel like soaring so high. I love my candy so much, I am flying high. Huh? Where is my candy? It's gone! Boom, 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 Davy lost his candy. Someone stole it from him. He wants his candy back now. He is sad and low. Oh no, no, no! That's mine! No!
Oh, baby, don't cry. Look, you can play with this.
Huh? No, no! I want my candy! Boom, 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 I have many candies. Yummy and fluffy candies. Lovely treats for today, so come have them now. Yay! The candy man is here! So many lovely shapes for you. Which one do you like, baby? Boom, 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 colorful candies. So nice, lovely shapes made for you. He's so happy and bright, and he chooses one. So yummy! Boom, 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 baby said to him, thank you. He had yummy candies. Everybody now says goodbye. It was